Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Immediate past Chief of Defense Staff, General Lucky Irabor, retired, says the armed forces under his watch had a myriad of national security challenges to contend with. Retired General Irabor made the observation during his official pull-out of service in a colorful parade at the Mogadishu cantonment at Sokoro, Abuja. The retired Army General, a son of the Niger Delta who hails from Ika South local government area of Delta State, paid glowing tributes to the armed forces for rising to the occasion at every trying period in Nigeria's national life.
I make bold to say that I am leaving the armed forces of Nigeria today bigger, stronger, and more capable to deliver on its constitutional mandates and national security functions. In this regard, I acknowledge the outstanding efforts of our courageous men and women in uniform. My deepest gratitude to the brave officers, soldiers, ratings, airmen and airwomen who demonstrated unwavering commitment and dedication. Your services and courage and the line of duty are unparalleled.
While he served as Chief of Defense Staff for a period of 29 months, General Irabor waged a relentless war against oil theft in the Niger Delta and the Boko Haram onslaught in Nigeria's northeast. His official pull-out ceremony was attended by important dignitaries and a delegation from his home state, Delta, led by Governor Sheriff Oborewori.
General Irabor is a man who believes in capacity, who believes in competence, and also trust and passion for service. Having led the armed forces for 29 months, he did very well. He came in when we have a lot of security challenges, and today he has done very well. And the man who is taking over, Sigi Musa, is somebody who also believes in this nation. And I believe we're going to do well. I congratulate both of them.
In his tenure, a lot of criminal activities were brought to their very low ebb. Oil theft in the Niger Delta, banditry in parts of the north, IPOB, a lot of other unwholesome activities.
General Lucky Irabor, retired, a member of regular course 34 of the Nigerian Defense Academy, was active in service for 37 years.
Inside the Niger Delta,